everyone, and welcome to the Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to create a deployment. A deployment consists of a scenario and/or a test asset. If you would like to review the process for creating a scenario or a system, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. To create a deployment, click the Add button next to Deployment under the Composites section of the main menu. Select Browse Scenarios, and add a scenario to your deployment by selecting the plus icon from its asset tile, or by clicking the tile and then selecting Add to Deployment Builder from the Asset Overview page. Then return to the builder by selecting View Details from the notification box in the bottom left of the screen, or by clicking the green number next to Deployments. The process for adding a test asset is much the same. Next, give your deployment a name and, optionally, a description. And on the next page, you'll have the option to add custom runtime properties. Then, review your deployment. You will then be able to finish and launch your deployment, but for now, we will just click Finish and save the launch process for another video. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. And for more in-depth explanations, visit our help site, CONS3RT.com/KB, the links to which are in the video description down below. And of course, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with our support team by submitting a ticket to support@concert.com. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.